For millennia, the date palm has been a symbol of life and nourishment in the arid regions of the Middle East and North Africa. This remarkable tree, with its stately trunk and lush canopy of fronds, has provided sustenance to human civilizations for thousands of years. At the heart of this unique relationship is the date, a fruit with a rich history and an impressive nutritional profile. Grown high above on fronds so tall, this ancient treat, revered by all. Please watch my video to the end, for delicious recipes and jokes. Please subscribe. Thank you. Its caramel flesh, so soft and smooth, bursts with healthy flavor that taste buds soothe. As early as 4000 BC, dates were known to be cultivated in the Fertile Crescent region between Egypt and Mesopotamia. It is modern-day Iraq. Evidence suggests that date palms were first domesticated in Mesopotamia over 8,000 years ago. The date fruit became a dietary staple for the people of this region, providing a crucial source of calories, fiber, and essential nutrients. Dates were not only eaten fresh, but also dried and preserved to sustain populations through long, harsh winters. The date fruit shines, a sweet delight. In the comment section below, please write what is the date fruit called in your language. In ancient Egypt, the date palm tree was seen as a tree of life. In ancient Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq, the date palm was used in construction of temples and homes, symbolizing its vital role in sustaining life. In ancient Greece, the date palm symbolized immortality and was associated with the mythological phoenix bird that was reborn from its ashes under a date palm. Let us savor this wondrous fruit, grown from a tree both strong and mute. The arrival of dates in the New World. It wasn't until the 18th century that dates were introduced to the Americas and other parts of the world. Spanish missionaries and travelers brought date palm offshoots to California, Mexico, and parts of South America. Today, the United States is one of the largest producers of dates outside of the Middle East. These delicious fruits aren't just a relic of the past, they're also a modern-day superfood packed with nutrients and health benefits. Dates are nutritional powerhouses that offer an array of health benefits. These sweet fruits are an excellent source of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, copper, and manganese. One of the key benefits of dates is their ability to regulate blood sugar levels. Despite their sweet taste, dates have a low glycemic index, making them a safe choice for diabetics or those watching their sugar intake. A natural sweetness, pure and true, in every bite, a joy anew. Harvesting dates is a labor-intensive process, as each tree can produce hundreds of pounds of fruit per season. Thy wrinkled skin, a texture sublime, hides a flesh so soft, it melts in time. Natural sugars, a healthy delight, fulfilling cravings, day and night. Quick energy snack recipe. 1 pitted dry date, 1 raw walnut half. Direction: insert walnut half into a pitted date and enjoy. Very delicious, healthy energy snack. Whether fresh or sun-dried with care, thy flavor profile, beyond compare. In salads, desserts, or all on thy own, the date fruit's worth, truly is known. Despite the popularity of dried dates, fresh dates are also enjoyed in regions where they are grown and are available seasonally. Health benefits. Rich in nutrients, dates are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, niacin, calcium, iron, and vitamin K. These nutrients are crucial for overall health and well-being. High in fiber. Dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which promotes digestive health by preventing constipation and supporting regular bowel movements. Fiber also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management. Antioxidant properties. Dates contain various antioxidants, such as flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid, which help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Heart health. The potassium content in dates helps to regulate blood pressure and maintain heart health. Additionally, the antioxidants in dates may reduce inflammation and cholesterol levels, further supporting cardiovascular function. Consuming dates can provide a quick energy boost, making them an ideal snack for athletes or anyone in need of a quick energy pick-me-up. Bone health. Dates are rich in minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption of dates may help prevent bone-related conditions such as osteoporosis. Brain health. The antioxidants present in dates have been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. Natural sweetener alternative. Dates can be used as a natural sweetener in recipes, serving as a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Pregnancy support. Dates are believed to help with labor and delivery by promoting cervical dilation and reducing the need for induced labor. Dates are a good source of nutrients for pregnant women, providing essential vitamins and minerals for both the mother and the developing baby. Plucked from palms, so tall and grand, a delicacy throughout the land. Recipe: no-bake date and nut energy bars. Ingredients: 1 cup pitted dates, 1 cup mixed nuts, such as almonds, cashews, walnuts, 1/4 cup dried fruits, such as raisins, cranberries, apricots, 1/4 cup oats, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, optional, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, optional, for added sweetness, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, optional, for flavor, pinch of salt. Instructions: prepare the dates. If the dates are not already soft, soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften them. Blend dates and nuts. In a food processor, combine the pitted dates, mixed nuts, dried fruits, oats, chia seeds, if using, honey or maple syrup, if using, cinnamon, if using, and a pinch of salt. Pulse the mixture until it forms a sticky, uniform dough-like consistency. Press into a pan. Line a baking dish or pan with parchment paper. Transfer the date and nut mixture into the prepared pan. Chill. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the mixture to firm up. Cut into bars. Once chilled, remove the pan from the refrigerator and lift the parchment paper to remove the solidified mixture from the pan. Enjoy very delicious and healthy dates bars. Now it is time for my jokes. Hi, I am a funny mop. Fig asked a date, "Why your name is Date, it's so confusing." "Because my English parents found me on their date, so they called me a date." How did the fig and the date meet? On a dried fruit mix dish. Why did the fig get jealous of the date? Because the date got to go to the ball to meet another date. What happened when the date, prune and the fig went to the movies? They all got dates. Why did the fig insist on choosing the restaurant for the date? Because it wanted to make sure there were plenty of date options. Why did the fig refuse to go to the fancy restaurant with the date? It didn't want to get dressed up in its sun-dried birth suit. What did one fig say to the other at the party? "Let's cut loose and have a fig-G and good time." How did the fig and the date keep the conversation flowing on their first date? They just talked and laughed about their weird, funny names. Stay happy and healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. A treasure trove of history old, the date's sweet story, forever told. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.